Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to set up BoldDesk's omnichannel support system with Facebook integration. I will show you how to configure this integration in BoldDesk and then add, reauthenticate, and manage the Facebook pages. Facebook, one of the largest social media platforms, connects billions of users and serves as a key tool for businesses to engage with their audiences. Integrating BoldDesk with Facebook improves accessibility by allowing customers to communicate through it, increasing the likelihood of timely interactions. It also centralizes communication for support agents, ensuring all messages are tracked and managed efficiently within one platform. Facebook integration offers features like converting Facebook messages to BoldDesk chat conversations. Your support agents can reply to customer messages directly through BoldDesk. Let's see how to configure Facebook integration in BoldDesk. To begin, I log into my BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Admin Center. I open the Chat module and select Facebook from the Channel section. Next, I click Authenticate to open the Facebook login page. On the pop-up window, you can choose to continue as the already logged-in account or key in the login credentials and click Login to proceed. I select the pages that BoldDesk should access and click Continue. To review the necessary permissions the BoldDesk app requires for integration with my Facebook page, I click Save to update the settings. A confirmation page opens, indicating that my account has been successfully connected to BoldDesk. I click Got it to complete the process. Now, let's see how to add a Facebook page. BoldDesk facilitates the seamless mapping of Facebook pages with specific brands and groups. On the Admin Center, I open the Chat module and select Facebook under the Channel section. I click Manage to open the Facebook Pages listing page. Next, I click Add Page, which opens the configuration window. Here, I enter the name and select the Facebook page I want to set up. I proceed and select the brand and the group to which to assign the conversations initiated through the selected Facebook page. I click Next to open the Comments configuration page. Here, I can choose All Posts to convert all the posts into conversations, or choose the comments with specific keywords to convert only comments with certain words into chats. I click Next. I enable the Read Receipts, which allows me to see when commenters from Facebook have seen replies from my team. I can enable the Auto Reply here too, which allows me to use automated replies when customers start conversations. Finally, I click Save to complete the setup. Facebook pages will often require reauthentication due to various factors like access token expiration. Access tokens expire every 60 days, and generating a new one will require reauthentication. If an admin recently updated their Facebook password, or you want to add a new Facebook page for sending and receiving messages, reauthentication will also be required. To reauthenticate my Facebook account in BoldDesk, I navigate to the Admin Center and open the Chat module. Next, I select Facebook from the Channel section and click Reauthenticate. I enter my credentials and click Login. I click the Edit Previous Settings option and click Reconnect to proceed. I select the pages I want the BoldDesk app to access and click Continue to review the necessary permissions BoldDesk requires for integration with the Facebook pages. I click Save to update the settings. A confirmation page will open indicating that my account has been successfully reconnected to BoldDesk. I click Got it to complete the process. Based on the configurations made, Facebook comments will be converted into conversations. Agents can track all these conversations on the Chat module of the Agent portal, and they will be displayed with a Facebook app icon. Next, let's look at how to manage Facebook pages. BoldDesk lets users manage their Facebook pages efficiently with options to edit, delete, activate, and deactivate them. First, let me show you how to edit a page. On the Account Listing page, I click the More Options icon next to the account I want to edit and select Edit. I can modify these details as required and click Save to update the changes. To deactivate a page, I choose the Deactivate option and confirm the action by clicking Yes, Deactivate to deactivate the account. All the deactivated accounts will be moved to the Inactive tab. To reactivate it, I click the More icon and select Activate. On the confirmation dialog box, I confirm Yes, Activate. To delete a page, I select Delete from the More Actions icon. In the confirmation dialog box, I click Yes, Delete to remove the account. In this video, I have demonstrated how to configure Facebook app integration in BoldDesk. I also demonstrated how to add, reauthenticate, and manage the Facebook pages. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like it. Thanks for watching.